everyone, this is Davis here, and today we are going to talk about the different cycles of the Earth, which ties into what we talked about earlier with the different spheres of the Earth. So, talking about Earth cycles, we're talking about materials that are moving through the different spheres. So, these materials are um, minerals that and materials that would pass through each of the spheres. So we'll talk a little bit about the water cycle, the phosphorus cycle, the nitrogen cycle, and the carbon cycle. And the way that this PowerPoint is laid out is that there's a text slide, then there's a diagram slide where I will walk you through the lecture material with the diagram. And then there's a video slide after that that will go into a little bit more detail than you probably need to know at this point, but it's also nice to have that available for those of you who are interested in learning in a different way, maybe something different than what I would present to you.